Our protocol investigates changes in stimuli-responsive polymers, which are used in electrochemical sensors under an applied voltage in solution and allows influences in stimuli-responsive polymers to be observed.
The advantages of this technology are that it's simple and can be used to observe the dynamic co-oscillation of polynipan with an applied voltage.
The analysis of polymers and particles under an applied voltage has applications in sensors, soft robotics, and energy storage.
New trainees should take care to prepare the sample carefully and to avoid air bubble with QVET for optimal data acquisition.
It is easy to be careless with straightforward analytical techniques, so take care as small changes in the protocol could lead to variable data.
To prepare samples for DLS analysis, dissolve 10 milligrams of polymer powder in 10 milliliters of filtered deionized water and store the mixture at 4 degrees Celsius overnight. To prepare the DLS cuvette, cut two 6.3 mm by 7 cm pieces from single-sided copper tape and use tweezers to stick each piece of tape to opposite sides of the inside of a DLS sample cuvette, perpendicular to the light path with the bottom of the tape near the bottom of the cuvette. Fold the edges of the copper tape over the top of the cuvette, making sure that the copper tape is near the top of the cuvette to ensure good electrical contact. Then wash the cuvette 3 times with deionized water, dabbing the excess water off with a lab wipe after the last wash. To set up the